Oh, my train has arrived. Alright, let me get up. I'm Econ 1, seat number 15D. I'm well rested in Jamber and ready for my next journey to one of the highlights of my trip, Mount Bromo. To travel Mount Bromo by train, one needs to head to Probolinggo, which is the nearest city with train access to the mountains. Once you arrive at Probolinggo train station, you will need to proceed to the base camp of Mount Bromo, which is Semoro Lawang. You can hire a local taxi or take a public minibus from the train station to Semoro Lawang. The distance is around 30 to 40 kilometers and takes approximately 1 to 1.5 hours by road. I will show you how this is being done from where I am in Jamber, in the most cost-efficient way, of course. The train now stopped in the middle of nowhere, somewhere around Malasan. So everybody just onboard the train to have a smoke up there. I'm not sure how long will the delay be. Yeah, let's see. So this is how the village looks like, and people having their smoke outside of the train. Probolinggo station. Got to jump off the train. The train is a little bit wacky today, so it is probably half an hour late, which is very unheard of in Indonesia train. Typically they are very punctual, so I wonder what's wrong. Anyway, this is a base train station point for Mount Bromo. Everybody coming to Mount Bromo will, in one way or the other, come to this station. Alright, so my Mount Bromo adventure commences at this juncture. So coming out from the train station, the time now is 11:45. So most people will catch a transport out from here, trying to get to the bus station.
Yeah, hello.
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 Hi. What's up? No, I'm walking around here. So immediately outside the train station, I see a minivan going to the Mount Bromo bus station. So what this guy charged me is 10,000 rupiah. Okay, let me get on. So to the Mount Bromo bus station, right?
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. I'm on my way to the bus station. So I've got off from the minivan. Now we're at the Bromo bus station. Not actually bus station, but it's another minivan center. So accordingly, they will only move off when they get enough customer. So what I was told is that this van costs 500,000 rupiah to make a trip to Mount Bromo. So the more people there is, the lower that we have to share. So currently they are waiting for 10 people. I am the number 6. There are 4 more people to go. Yeah. So that's the situation like here. So we will have to wait to get another 4 more people. I'm not sure when. So probably it takes us another half an hour. Yeah, for 4 additional people of us to show up. So meantime, it's a waiting game. So we don't have 10 people. Instead of we have 6, so we pay extra more. So what we were quoted is 80. Yep. Instead of 50,000 rupiah. So now we are paying 80. I think time is of the essence. Good driver.
Bromo, very nice.
Okay. Yeah. Yes, everybody come to Bromo.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Alright, we get going into the mountains. Semoro Rawang is the base camp of Mount Bromo and it's 45 kilometers away from Probolinggo. So it's about 45 minutes of car ride, I suppose. Yeah, depending on road condition. 1 hour?
140 minutes.
1 hour 40. Oh, wow. Okay. So he said 1 hour 40 minutes. Right. He's the expert. Wow, there's so many turns. We are going around the mountain. As we ascend the mountain, the weather starts to cool down a little bit. It's now probably 28 degrees outside. So we have reached the entrance of Bromo village. So there is a admission charge of 30,000 per pax. These days, villagers also start charging money, just like certain countries. So inclusive of the transport is 80 plus 30. Yep. So now we are paying the toll charges. So I'm at the village right now. So this is where the bus driver stays. So he offered me accommodation, 150,000 rupiah a night. So this is where he stay. Yeah. So this is the guy. I'm going to pay him 150 later. Yeah. So inclusive of tomorrow. Yeah. So I think there's a bus coming from here all the way to Surabaya. Okay. So I'm going to take that with this person.
I'm driver MOUNT BROMO. You want tour to Ijen and then Surabaya airport.
What's your name?
Roy.
Roy.
And I live in Probolinggo, my home and the family in the village in Cemrolawang like this.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.